BRABUS has tuned a Mercedes-AMG G63 far beyond the typical upgrades. The aftermarket specialist turned the SUV into a pickup truck before going to town on upgrading the powertrain and the visuals. BRABUS also upgraded the turbochargers, increasing boost pressure while recalibrating the engine management software. The company added new maps for injection, ignition, and boost pressure control. The truck makes 900 horsepower, 315 horsepower more than the stock SUV. The engine churns out 992 pound-feet of torque, but BRABUS caps it at 774 pounds-foot. The company also caps the truck's top speed at 175 miles per hour with an electronic governor. It weighs a hefty 5,997 pounds, but the potent powertrain can accelerate the truck to 62 miles per hour in 3.7 seconds. BRABUS will produce just 10 of these high-powered G63 pickups. The truck will have a starting price of €649,638, which is around $639,000 at today's exchange rates.